All right, we're heading out into the campgrounds to see what the campgrounds look like on Sunday morning. Some of you are probably still sleeping. What time is it, Doug? 11? 11:45 a.m. I saw a lot of people leaving already this morning. Oh yeah, there's a few left, but nothing crazy. There's a company that just drops off campers too. I learned that last year. They come in here.
Or there's like they do with hoses, you can do.
Yeah. So the campers clean up way more after themselves. I bet there's a policy that they just can't leave stuff laying around. The FFA kids are up in the grandstands right now cleaning all that stuff out. So, yeah. Oh yeah, no, this is probably the most fun that people have all year round. Did you see the marble races? The marble races? The guys had a tent set up. It's like his own casino back there. I only came out here a little bit Friday night. So 2,100 campsites is what they had this year. 2,100.
You mean millions you think they
Oh
made?
Jesus, that's all. How many? Yeah, $16 a pop. I love all the big like camper cities. Everybody parks them together and stuff. Stu's back here, right? Where's Titty Alley at? Right back there, right? I feel like it's down there to the left. A lot quieter without 2,000 generators running. When I came over to get the dually last night in the trailer, you could just hear the generators. Yeah, everybody cleans up nice. I like this. Right? That's a fancy rig.
Fancy truck.
Heck yeah.
Would have wet petrol.
Yeah, so, yeah, because I came by this house last night and they were just lined up the golf carts so you're going to use TV. Stu is right there. Yeah. Looks way different without all the campers here. It's always the third weekend in August, fans. If you ever want to camp, just not worry about the world for a week, this is the place to come. Because you're with a bunch of like people, having fun, having the time of your life.
I had my interaction with the law.
Yeah, they had police waiting out here. There he is! There he is! There he is! We found him! We found him! We came looking.
No, I knew you were busy, but I knew Hope was like, leave him alone.
Hey, buddy.
I missed you. I know you're super busy.
Did you have fun?
You have no idea who came for this big Andy.
Hey, boss. Good to see you.
I have 3 gallons of whiskey for you, and you never showed up. So
We had fun. Not gonna lie.
I'll put them on ice for you.
I don't think I had a beverage all weekend. I don't think I had a beverage. Will you go walk around the camper too? No, I started getting the camper.
Yeah, she's gonna go to Mom's for storage for another year.
Looks like they got a little
When did the pink
graffiti.
paint get on there?
I left Thursday at like midnight, and somewhere between then and when I showed up at like.
I signed it last year, Doug. Have you signed this yet?
I have not, but this is my favorite.
Mayor of Titty
No.
City. Fuck Michigan.
It has taken me all year
I
to
signed
find
it
the best bourbon I can find in Ohio to mix it with the original blends. Look how dark that is. That's for you.